Today I'm going to talk about personal topic for GESE Grade 5 examination, um, and the personal topic is sports, and this is for B1. People who are applying for indefinite leave to remain or British passport, they have to have life in the UK test and a B1 test. I have already made some personal topic videos, and it has been quite some time that I didn't come back to them. Meanwhile, I've been making some videos on life in the UK test. So in this connection, I'll make two more. One is sports and one is my job. So this one is about sports. Um, so first of all, you have to fill in your personal topic like that. You can write anything, obviously, but you have to print the personal topic from Trinity College website. So you will see, obviously these are edited ones. I've given them some color here, but you will have black and white personal topic form where you can write in hand. You don't have to print, you don't have to type and then print, but you can write in hand. Okay, so the main topic would be in this center box, which is sports, and here are some subtopics, subheadings, which are relevant to the main topic. So for example, playing schedule, socialize, other benefits, physical exercise, my favorite sports. So the examiners will choose any three of them when they are talking. So once you are ready for your test, you print this form, you fill in this form, and you take it with you. Remember that without this form, you have no exam. So you take it with you and you give it to the examiner, and then the examiner will start with the personal topic form. So as you know that B1 has two parts, personal topic and conversation phase. So this one is the first one. So this is where your test will start. So now we will talk every aspect of your personal topic form. So the first one is my favorite sports. These are some of the types of questions that the examiners can ask you. I will give you questions and some ideas about your answers. What kind of sports do you like? So where this is where you have to tell them that you like this sport, that sport, whatever it is, I don't know. But remember to speak full sentences. So something like that. I like different types of sports. For example, I like table tennis, I like cricket, I like hockey. This is how you answer. Why do you like these sports? And your answer could be that these sports are very good for your health, for your mindset, because you develop sense of competition, and at the same time you stay fit and strong. Have you been inspired by someone? Let's say if you are if you like a certain type of sport, for example football or basketball, you can say that yes, I've been inspired by Kobe Bryant, or I've been inspired by Ronaldo or Messi, and I've always liked them and I wanted to be like them, so that's why I play football, or that's why I play basketball. Next question is, when did you start playing these sports? And the answer could be, I started playing these sports when I was young, when I was like 6 or 7 years old. Since then, I have always played these sports. Next question is, have you played these sports professionally? Professional is when you play and you get paid for that, and you play for clubs or you play for your national teams. If you have played for that, for you, if you have played professionally, you can tell. Otherwise, you could say, I haven't played professionally, but this is just for fun. This is just for time pass, my leisure activity. Are they really tough? You could say yes, they are really tough. For example, football. Yes, football is a very tough game, and you have to train a lot. You have to keep yourself strong, fit. You should have great stamina because it is 90 minutes of intense game. Yeah. Next, playing schedule. Remember, these are those subheadings that we put on the personal topic form. So I'm choosing one by one and giving you questions. Have you often Sorry, how often do you play these sports? You could say I play 3 times a week, or I play 2 times a week, or I play every day, whatever is your answer. Where do you play them? I go to a club, I go to a leisure center, I go to um, this park, that park. Okay, who do you play with? If you are playing for a club, then you could say I play with my friends who are my club fellows, club mates. Or if you just play for fun with your friends, you could say I play with my friends in the park every evening. How much time do you spend on sports? The answer could be, well, I spend at least 2 to 3 hours every day, or 2 to 3 hours 3 times a week. Do you think everyone should play sports? I mean, this is a question where you can have a full speech. Yes, yes, everyone should play sports, because these days life has become very, very easy because of technology, because of different inventions. So this is not good for health, because we don't move a lot, we don't do physical exercise. So this is the time when everybody should play football, or everybody should play sports where physical exercise, physical activity is involved. What type of player you are? Well, I am a great player. I play football and I'm a very expert, skilled. I've been nominated the best player in my council, in my borough, in my club, wherever you play. How much time do you spend in training? You could say I spend in training at least 1 hour every day, and to keep myself fit and strong. Next, physical exercise. Why do you choose to play sports and not do other activities like playing video games and watching TV? Well, if this question comes up, then you can say that playing sports is obviously good for health, good for socializing, and it is good to develop mind, because a healthy body has a healthy mind. Whereas, excuse me, whereas playing video games and watching TV is, I mean, can give you entertainment, but it does not give you physical exercise. And these days, everybody should do physical exercise, and sports is the best way to do that. So that's why I don't play video games and watch TV. What is the difference between outdoor sports and indoor games? Well, there are two different types of worlds, I would say. Outdoor sports are more sporty, they are more active, they involve more physical rigor and strength, whereas indoor sports, indoor games, especially if you're talking about video games and other, so they are not, in my opinion, they're not very good for health. But if you're talking about indoor sports like table tennis, squash, then obviously they are very good as well. Do these sports keep you in good health and shape? Of course they do. I play 3 times a week, and for that I have to train myself every day for 1 hour. And I mean, I don't put up weight, so I'm perfectly fine. Sports is a physical activity. So what kind of food do you eat to stay fit? Well, if I do sports regularly, I don't mind eating anything, but obviously balance is what we all need in everything. So I eat balanced diet. Do we need physical strength in this age of technology? Of course we do, because physical strength means strong body, and strong body, and healthy body has a healthy mind. So we do need it. Yeah, I mean, these are some of the answers that I mean that I tell you, which come to my mind just spontaneously now. I didn't make any of these answers. So whatever comes to my mind, I'm just sharing with you that this is how you have to make this. So you can say obviously everything, anything. Um, I mean, whatever you like and whatever your circumstances are, based on that. Socialize. What do you mean by socialize in this context? I mean that when you play games, you go out, you meet new people, and then you develop friendships, and then you can socialize. So sports itself is a way of socializing, which is good. And do you not have friends outside your sports circle? Of course, I do have friends outside my sports circle, but people who play sports have got the same kind of mindset and very positive, I would say. So I like my friends from my sports circle. What is the difference between a sports person and a non-sports person? Well, this is something which um, I mean, everybody has his or her own interpretation, but I would say that a sports person is always positive-minded person, fit and healthy, and they have got a sense of competition. They have got a sense of sportsman spirit, and if you, sportsman spirit is good in many ways. I don't say that the non-sports person don't have sportsman spirit if they are not positive minded, but I mean obviously sports does make a difference, and it makes you disciplined basically. Do you have parties sometimes? Yes, we do have parties. Like our football team has a get together or meet up every month where we go and have drinks and eat food together and stuff like that. What do you normally discuss with your friends with whom you play? Normally we discuss sports, but sometimes we do talk about other things as well. Do you think your sports friends have improved your life? I definitely think, because sometimes you are, I mean, going through downtime, and then you look at your friends who are positive, who have sportsmanship, and the lessons come back to your mind that you have to fight back. You have to take things positively. So in this way, when you are living amongst positive-minded people, definitely life improves. Next, other benefits. What are other benefits of playing sports? Well, I would say that other benefits of playing sports is that you become disciplined, you become punctual, you become organized because sports, and also you become strategic because you have to have strategy in every sport. How important is mental health in your point of view? Mental health is the most important thing in my point of view, and to achieve that you have to have good physical health. So sports is one way of getting to that destination. Can you say that sports is a complete package? Well, as far as my opinion is concerned, I would definitely say it's a complete package, because it's a physical exercise and it's a mental exercise. It teaches you so many things. Respect. It teaches you how to win. It teaches you how to lose. And when you lose, it teaches you how to accept means losing. And then it gives you a chance to analyze yourself, analyze your mistakes. Oh, yes, it's a complete package. Do you watch sports or do you just play? I don't watch. I play. Uh, I would say I'm a man of action, not just sitting in front of the TV and watching things. What do you say about indoor activities? Indoor activities are good as long as they provide you um, active, I mean, some physical activity or entertainment. Do you sometimes play games? Well, if you mean video games, I never play that. But if you mean other games like cards or chess, or yeah, I do sometimes play. But I also play table tennis, which is indoor. Can sports play a role in bringing peace among nations? I would definitely say yes, because sports brings positivity. And if two countries who are um, opponents, I mean, in terms of political opponents, if they have more sports competition like football, like cricket, like hockey, or basketball, so then I mean, it is a way of bringing them two nations together. And I mean, sports people are representatives of the nations, and they have got sportsman spirit. So when they respect each other on the field, obviously they teach their followers, their nations, that this is how you have to respect your opponents. So I would say definitely it brings peace among nations. So this was the end of this, and I hope you enjoy that. If you have any questions, you can ask me. Uh, So remember one thing, that these are some of the questions that can be asked, and the answers that I gave you were spontaneous. I did not prepare them. You can make your answers based on your situations, okay? But remember one thing, there is no right and wrong answer. As long as you keep speaking, you have to speak language, yeah? And don't worry about facts, just make up stuff. All right, thank you very much. Bye.